What's up, guys? My name is Zombie. As you guys already know from my name on here. Just wanted to hop in here real quick, just kind of introduce and explain myself when it comes to my content. My content's gonna be wide range. It's gonna be a variety of games, just because I want to actually have that variety. I'm trying to get into the whole YouTube thing. I'm trying to get into the whole TikTok thing and Instagram and all that. I'm trying to get out there and get myself known. This video you guys are about to watch is just a basic little pack opening. Just kind of, I don't know, just another game on there. My first video, it was a Gang Beast video with my buddies. My second and third video, it's Alien Isolation. I will be having an Alien Isolation, or I will be continuing Alien Isolation, I should say, probably after I get out of the military. Because I go to basic in July to get it all done, or to get BCT done and all that. Which does mean I'm not going to be posting for a while. It'll be a pretty long time till I actually post again. So as of right now, I'm going to be posting and uploading and recording as much as I can to have them get released on set days. Some of you that do know me personally, if you guys could respect the fact that I want my privacy hidden, that's why I have my face covered and only got my eyes shown. I'd rather not have my privacy out there. Refer to me as Zombie in my comments, please. Don't say my real name. Don't use any of my private information and all that. It'd be much appreciated, and I would love for you guys to just kind of keep that side of my life hidden. But like I was saying, I'm going to be recording as much as I can. Just kind of getting videos edited throughout the days, throughout weeks, while I can, and in my free time whenever I'm not working and not getting ready for the military and all that. But I really do hope you guys enjoy my videos from what I have so far. I hope you guys enjoy this one. There's no actual like me going into any games on this video right now. This is just a simple pack opening. That is all it is. But there will be more. There will be actual gameplay. Probably tonight. I'm gonna play some Siege later tonight and kind of just get it edited and ready to be posted either tomorrow or sometime this week or sometime next week. I'm actually making this be like right before I'm editing the video that's being posted. So yeah. But like I said, my name's Zombie. I hope you guys enjoy my videos. If you're new here and you're just finding my account, help a small creator out, man. Subscribe, like my videos. It's all free. You don't have to pay for anything. And that if you guys like the videos, I really hope y'all do. I'm trying my best being a new creator, a new content creator and all that. So if you have any tips or anything like that, just let me know. Just know that I don't have a PC and all of my videos and stuff get edited through my phone. That's it. I just don't have the money for a PC or a laptop. So it's the only downside to it. So I don't have all the like funny and cool edits that most YouTubers do, but we all start somewhere, So thank you guys for your time. But we're gonna get on with this video. Hope you guys enjoy. Like I said, subscribe and like the video. Love you guys.
We're gonna start with the Bravo pack to kind of just get this going.
How many viewers you got?
I got a fucking green off the rip.
How many viewers do you have?
I don't know.
Sure.
One, which is myself. I was wanting you to watch so you could watch me open these. What did I get? Are you?
What?
I got fucking Neon Dawn for Mozzie. Retarded. I'm gonna do the celebration packs last. We're gonna start with the alpha packs.
You know.
Purple. Please be black ice. Why? Why? I got leather. Fucking blue. Why? What is this? Looks like shit. Green. Why? Shit. Just give me a purple. Gridlock for... Okay. What the fuck is this? Dirk, what is this?
Oh, dude, that's Pulse, bro.
I know it's Pulse. Really? I got a fucking chibi. Black ice. Now we're back to the fucking blues. Why? The flaming grenade? Dude, that looks like the fucking thing from Harry Potter. The snitch. Of course. Another duplicate. Another Neon Dawn. I have
Why are you
this.
playing Canal, bro?
Ooh, purple. Black ice. This is shit. Okay. Shifting tides, of course. Another 2 shifting. I have this. I have that, I think. I don't? Oh, shit, okay. It looks like ass. Oh, it's the glasses. What the fuck? Ooh, purple. I think that was the first non-dupe purple.
I should have fucking played a warm-up match.
Had a warm-up match. Are you playing ranked already?
Yeah. Instant.
Yikes.
First match in, I don't know, a month.
A
No,
month?
or
You
less
went
than
to
that.
ranked? I got another chibi. Oh, it's a Jaeger chibi.
A little less than a month, and yeah. Straight to ranked. See how it goes.
Black Ice? No. I got Slate, and it's a duplicate. Eight more packs of the alphas, and fucking green.
I'm going to did I ever tell you about the abandoned train bridge I went to a while ago?
I think so.
Yeah, I'm going there again tonight.
Because I asked you if you could take me the next time I was out there.
Oh yeah, we can go when you guys come down or up.
I have black ice for this, I think. I do actually have black ice for this.
You're scared of heights, aren't you?
Not really, actually. It's
Oh,
more
okay.
like I just have the fear of falling. That's all it
Yeah.
really is.
Well, have fun.
Let's get another dupe. What's this one?
That's if the bridge is still somewhat intact.
Well, yeah, it's abandoned. This is the last
Well,
pack.
It's over 100
it
years
green?
old. We haven't been there in
The
so long.
last fucking alpha pack. And it was
Been
a
raining
dupe.
a lot.
No, it wasn't a dupe. I thought it was a dupe. Which is not duplicate free. Legendary? Bro, I got a legendary off the rip. off the rip for my first celebration pack of the season. That deserves a bite of ice cream.
Oh fuck.
What is it? Dude, legendary first fucking opening. Oh! Problem is I already have black ice for this. This is a Jaeger's gun. I fuck with this though. That's for everybody. Purple? Black ice? No. I don't know if I actually have a headset or a headgear for her. They're purple. Dude, these are really good. What the fuck? Oh my god. Yes. 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 Really good, like, packs.
Oh, the
Okay.
celebration packs.
Oh, yeah, dude, I've only gotten purples and fucking legendaries.
Yeah, you're gonna.
And I said that, and I got a blue.
Oh.
What is this? That looks like shit. Another legendary. Bro, I fuck with these packs. I already have this.
No, you don't.
Another legendary? Okay. I already have this. Another purple? Okay.
That
Oh.
helmet you just got for Jackal that you already have, it looks retarded.
It's the robot one. It's from the fucking robot event. I got a beauty tag. Don't shoot my... I think this is from the... It is. Okay, yeah. From the... Something is magic or rainbow is magic shit. R6 CBRN. See, if it was CRBN, then I would say Chaos Reborn. Another blue. Okay. Ew. Purple? Black ice? No. Ooh, but that's actually really nice skin. For I mean, it's for Nighthaven, but it's still a nice ass skin. I think I have this one in black ice too already. Another blue. Oh! I got the Racer 33 skin. I got one of the Racer skins. Holy shit. Fuck yeah. I've always actually wanted a Racer skin. What is it? Black ice? And it's a duplicate. I just got fucking black ice duplicate. I just got fucking black ice duplicate. First one off the rips of purple. This is the non-dupe packs. Competitor Mozzie for 2020. Okay. Legendary? What is it? Ooh! Yo, that's getting equipped right off the rip. What the fuck? Dude, that's sick as shit. Oh my god! Dude, you got it. Do you see this headgear?
It does look really cool.
That's sick as fuck. Okay, another purple. I really like these celebration bags. This looks like ass. Purple. Okay. Oh my god. Dirk. Do I
What?
put it on and leave the Master Chief helmet on?
Yeah, do that.
I have to, bro. That's so fucked. Oh my god. Another purple. Actually, I fuck with the helmet or with the headgear. I actually really like these hats. The newsboy hat for Wamai. The legendary. What is it? Actually, I don't think I have another like uniform for her, so I mean I'm gonna equip that. I like that one a lot. Actually, not gonna lie.
Yep.
Blue. Decontamination. Looks like ass. Yeah. Whatever.
Let's go. I'm 5-0. Crazy.
New headgear for Solus. Okay. That's about it. In blue. Alright. Alright. Actually, it's not a bad charm. Actually, I kind of fuck with this charm. Okay. Okay. I like this. Okay, I got danger stunt for Fuse. I'll fuck with that. Legendary. Something good. Are you fucking kidding me? I got the full set of competitor Mozzie now. You know what sucks? I use Mozzie a lot. So I know that... Ooh, purple. I know that I'm probably gonna put those on anyway. I already have this in black eyes. But I do like this skin. Blue. That's fine. That's fine. What? Oh, is it this? Oh, it's the attachment skin. Oh, it's a golden skin, actually. That's kind of cool. Legendary? What the fuck is this? Disgusting. Oh. Dayrise Fixer. I like that one for Noct. That'll be a sick one to have. Blue. That's fine. It's alright. It's whatever. Another fucking decontamination. If I get another decontamination, I'm gonna lose my mind. Old Man Cade. $31 packs left. Another blue. This is the stupid fucking puppet skin. I now have a pink pistol. I now have a pink 9mm. Oh my god. If I don't have this in black ice, I'm equipping it. Now I'm just getting a bunch of blue. Oh.
No! Bro, my teammates are actually dog shit.
Okay. I'll be joining you in a bit. After this pack opening.
Is this guy autistic? Oh my god. I'm hoping that.
Oh, this is
actually
the
fucking
ancient
stupid.
Paul one. I actually like this because the runes. They're purple. Okay.
Bro, what is this guy doing?
Looks like absolute dog shit. I'm gonna be completely honest. This looks stupid. I mean, it's alright. It just... Legendary? What are we gonna get? Ooh! That's fire. I fuck with this so much. That's such a sick skin. I think I have this in black ice though. If I don't have it in black ice, I'm equipping this bitch. That's a sick skin. I love this. Ghastly. Actually, that's kind of a dope one. That's kind of a dope one. If I don't already have a cool headset for her, or headgear for her, I might just equip this one. They're blue. It's fine. It's fine. Really? Dustline. I got Dustline. Oh god. No. Just no. Oh no. No. Yes. Ooh. It's alright. It's alright. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Yo, actually, I like that a lot. I'm equipping that. That's sick. If I get the fucking puppet outfit, the full puppet outfit for Pulse, I might just throw my controller. Oh my god. Yes. 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 Oh. Yo. I'm equipping that. Cause I don't believe I have black eyes for that gun. Why? It's just why. Not bad. Alright. Legendary. Holy shit. I got the hybrid monster. I got the wiggle mouth. Big ass eyes. We're at 11 packs left. I got another blue. I just got Razor 23. Holy shit. It's my second ever Razor skin. Hell yeah, I got Lethal Crud. Purple? Black Eyes? No. Ew. Gross. Gross. Quit giving me Proton. I got another fucking yarn one. I like this. I like that. I like it. We have 4 packs left. Legendary? Are you fucking kidding? Quit giving me decontamination, you bastards. Purple? What we gonna get? Andy. I got gingerbread. Fucking gingerbread.
Excuse me.
You're excused. Last 2 packs. Are you fucking kidding me? Mission Blacksmith? Really? Really? Gross. Last pack. And it was a fucking blue. It was a racer skin though. Blue. Whatever. Collision point? No. Purple? Black Ice?
What's the point of making it go higher?
Widow? I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know. I just want to. It's a very purple skin, which is why I'm equipping it. Another purple? Black Ice? I just got a new Black Ice. Let's go. For the ITA that I never fucking use. Dude, what the fuck? Another purple? I have that already. And it's back to blue. Last pack of the day. Blue. Well, I got a bunch of new stuff.
Last night.
Your mom's house.
I doubt that.
I have 26 black.
Oh, hey, until next time he calls and wakes me up and punches him in his tooth.
Yeah, I called her last night and woke her up.
Yeah, you told me last night. Drunk.
Yeah, you right. I was. Yeah, I was.
Anyways, yeah, can you check on that and bring it in and put it away for me, please?
I don't know.
I forget it's Friday and you don't work, so I was thinking it was sitting out there all day.
What are those steak tip things in the cupboard?
What?
There was like these two like packs of like it was like steak bites or tips or something.
In the cupboard?
Pantry. I don't know where the snacks go.
It's beef jerky.
Why were you so lost? Are you okay?
Yeah, it's beef jerky. I was thinking it's, I don't know, it's beef jerky.
Don't you live here?
No, I just come visit once in a while.
I have no outfits for this dude.
Alright.
What the fuck? Shows that
Don't
I
get your
don't
buttons
touch
up
him.
and do that for me.
I mean, I don't know.
Alright, I love you.
Alright, I love you.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Alright.